YouTrip and Revolut are two of the most popular multi-currency financial apps designed for travelers and online spenders. Both offer a borderless approach to managing money, but they differ in fees, features, and usability. YouTrip is a Singapore-based app primarily focused on Asia, while Revolut is a UK-based fintech with a global presence, offering a broader range of services. YouTrip allows users to hold and spend in over 10 currencies with no foreign transaction fees, which is perfect for travelers within the region. The app links to a prepaid MasterCard, enabling contactless payments worldwide wherever MasterCard is accepted. Exchange rates are competitive, often better than traditional banks, and the app also provides real-time currency conversion updates. Its interface is simple and intuitive, making it ideal for those who want straightforward functionality without unnecessary bells and whistles. Revolut, on the other hand, supports over 30 currencies and offers additional financial tools. Beyond spending and currency exchange, Revolut provides budgeting features, cryptocurrency trading, stock investments, and even insurance options. Its standard account comes with a contactless debit card, fee-free spending abroad up to certain limits, and interbank exchange rates during weekdays. Premium and metal plans offer higher limits, travel insurance, and exclusive perks, but come with monthly fees ranging from $10 to $25. When comparing fees, YouTrip has no monthly subscription but may include small charges for ATM withdrawals above $400 per month. Revolut's standard plan is free, but fees can apply for weekends or high-volume currency exchanges. For travelers focused on Asia and seeking simplicity with low fees, YouTrip is highly practical. For users seeking a global financial tool with investment and additional features, Revolut offers more versatility and value for money. The choice depends on your priorities. YouTrip excels in simplicity and low-cost regional spending, while Revolut provides a wider range of financial services and global flexibility.